Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to create festive Christmas ornaments using the watercolor brushes from our Procreate Brushes and Fonts app. We'll start by slowly building up soft layers of color to get that realistic watercolor effect. These brushes are designed to give a natural, translucent feel, perfect for adding depth and life to your digital art. As I paint each ornament, you'll see how easy it is to add subtle shades and details, with smooth edges and natural transitions that capture the look of real watercolor. These brushes respond to pressure, letting you control the richness of color and create layered, textured effects that pop. Now, I'm switching over to the pencil sketch brushes to add a light outline around each ornament. This extra detail gives them more definition, making each one stand out beautifully. And there you have it, 3 festive, detailed ornaments, perfect for the holiday season. I'm not a professional artist myself. I'm learning as I go, and I'd love for you to learn right alongside me. Just now, I added a few highlights to our ornaments to give them that final touch, and that's it. Our holiday ornaments are done. You can find these brushes in our app, so download it now and give them a try. Happy creating, and enjoy adding a little holiday magic to your artwork. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!